Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining a sellable core. Pick 1 to 2 niches where your skills solve measurable problems. Once chosen, build 3 end-to-end projects that show data cleaning, modeling, and business impact, and make them reproducible. Make sure to write a 1-page service sheet listing hourly, fixed, and retainer pricing so prospects quickly understand what you offer. This jumpstarts conversations and lets you price with confidence. Start outreach as soon as your first case study is presentable. Once you have a portfolio and service sheet, focus on finding and closing clients. Reach out to 10 warm leads each week via LinkedIn messages, referrals, and niche communities. Tailor the first message to a specific pain. Conduct 30 to 45-minute discovery calls to align on goals, constraints, and success metrics, and make sure to capture decision makers. Then produce concise proposals with timeline, milestones, deliverables, and payment terms so clients can say yes without ambiguity. You finish by executing predictable sprints that deliver value early. Set 1 to 2 week milestones, schedule demos, and agree acceptance criteria. Once features work, automate pipelines, write clear docs, and provide a handoff or training session so clients can operate independently. Consider retained monitoring for recurring revenue. If a project stalls or a client resists, reframe the conversation around ROI. Propose a small paid pilot to rebuild trust, and renegotiate scope rather than digging into blame.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.